Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that hits close to home for many: how to pay for dental work with no money in 2025. If you're dealing with tooth pain but an empty wallet, don't worry. We've got practical steps to help you navigate this without breaking the bank. Let's jump right in. First off, start by exploring free or low-cost dental clinics. In 2025, many communities have expanded access through programs like federally qualified health centers, which offer sliding scale fees based on your income. These clinics often provide essential services like cleanings and fillings at little to no cost. Check online directories or call your local health department to find one near you. Next, look into government assistance. With potential updates to healthcare policies in 2025, programs like Medicaid or the Affordable Care Act might cover dental work, especially if you're low income or under a certain age. Don't forget about state-specific initiatives. Some areas have grants for emergency dental care. If you're eligible, applying could save you thousands. Another smart move is to reach out to dental schools. Students need real-world practice, and they often provide treatments at a fraction of the price, supervised by experienced professionals. It's a win-win, and with 2025 bringing more virtual consultations, you might even access these remotely. If that's not an option, negotiate directly with your dentist. Many offices offer payment plans, interest-free financing, or discounts for upfront payments. Be honest about your situation. They might work with you to create a manageable plan. For a more creative approach, consider crowdfunding. Platforms like GoFundMe have helped thousands raise funds for medical needs. Share your story online, and you might get community support. Additionally, focus on prevention. Good oral hygiene can avoid costly emergencies, so brush, floss, and use affordable at-home remedies in the meantime. Finally, remember that your dental health is crucial for overall well-being. Always prioritize professional care over DIY fixes. If you're in the US, keep an eye on 2025 policy changes for even more affordable options. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you've used any of these strategies. Stay healthy, and see you next time.